我是 Kayla 老师 ，I'm Kayla。今天我来教大家一首很好听的中文歌。I will sing a song for you. It's called 歌声与微笑 ，Sing with a smile。大家可以跟我一起唱。Please follow me. You will like this romantic song, which is almost two young people in love who must say goodbye. Let's begin. 请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。明天，明天，这个声飞遍海角天涯，飞遍海角天涯。明天，明天，这微笑将是遍野春花，将是遍野春花。大家跟上了吗？来，我们再来唱一遍。Do you know how to sing the song? Let's try one more time. 请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。明天，明天，这个声飞遍海角天涯，飞遍海角天涯。明天，明天，这微笑将是遍野春花，将是遍野春花。And now I will translate the lyrics so you will know what this song means. Besides, you can also click the link below in the description to get the complete lyrics, subtitles, and the video. 请把我的歌带回你的家。Take my song with you when you go back home. 请把你的微笑留下 ，but never take your smile away. 请把我的歌带回你的家。Take my song with you when you go back home. 请把你的微笑留下 ，but never take your smile away. 明天，明天，这歌声 ，Tomorrow this song will be heard. 飞遍海角天涯 ，in every corner of the world. 飞遍海角天涯 ，in every corner of the world. 明天，明天，这微笑 ，Tomorrow this smile will become. 将是遍野春花 ，a bosom in the springtime。将是遍野春花 ，a bosom in the springtime。好了，今天的课就到这里。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please stay tuned to us. 我们下次见，拜拜。